Ooh, I love fun wallpaper.
The wall is super cool.
love that.
That's cool. Yeah, I love it.
Fan.
And no popcorn ceilings.
Yeah.
I think it just feels very clean. It has like a lively feel, not so sleepy like Sun City West. A wide, spacious kitchen. It's a galley, but you have a lot of room. Huge yard, the added shed back there.
And all the windows are already new?
Yeah.
It's got the windows too. It's really well done. It's a nice home. Was this an add-on or is this?
No, this is a utility room. It's on almost all of the Sun City West homes. This one has ducted AC. Good.
Yeah, it's a nice room. I like the room.